Good morning and welcome to the homestead, everyone. Well, we're back here at the Farmstand build, and I've got 2 days of clear weather before some bitter Arctic cold comes in. So what I want to do is get this back section on this side and that side enclosed in, and if I have enough 1-bys, I'll go down and enclose the middle section. So that is our project for today, to get the enclosure part done and get all of our battens on. Hopefully we can get that done today. So let's get to it. Okay guys, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna finish up this wall. I need to rip down a piece to fit here, and that way this one is done. I don't wanna leave this till later on. All right, guys, what do you think? As you could see, I had to make a couple adjustments for level. These vertical lines aren't as important optically. These vertical lines are not as important optically. As long as I can get the batten over it and cover that gap and get the battens level, we'll be fine, but I wanted to keep them pretty much as level as I can. So I'm not super worried about those gaps because the battens will cover them. So pretty good. I think it looks all right. Let's get the other side done. What you doing, Bailey? Come here, Bailey. Come on. Come here, Bailey. Come here. Hey, Bob. Hi. Hi. Hi, Bob. Hi. What you doing? Stretching it out? Come on, Bub. Come on, Bub. Come on. Go on. All right, guys. We did not have enough 1-bys to completely finish this back section. I'm about 4 feet short. So I'm gonna have to mill up some of those. But in the meantime, let's get our battens on, get those perfectly level and straight vertically, and see what this thing will look like. What do you think, guys? How's it look? Back section is almost totally enclosed. I got 4 feet on the other side. I'm gonna have to mill up some boards and finish that off. And then we can go inside and start doing some framing. This front section, this middle section here, I'm gonna need about 40 1x6s to finish that off. And then the board and batten on this building will be complete. All right, guys, we're gonna leave it there. I gotta get cleaned up, put everything away. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.